Hello and welcome to yet another live broadcast from the Tribune Network. I'm Rohit Bhan. We are coming to you live from the Tribune headquarters. We're coming to you from the newsroom of the Tribune here in Chandigarh. Big story emerging out of Haryana. Bird flu cases have been reported. Some samples which have been sent from the state, from some poultry farms in the state, they have tested positive, following which a general alert has been sounded by the health authorities. And not just in Haryana, in neighboring Punjab, import of poultry products has been banned for some time. Punjab has been declared a containment area for some time, and the imports have been stopped. Also alert in Himachal Pradesh, the Pong Dam Lake, where some birds were found dead. There an alert has been sounded and teams are fanning out. But in Haryana, and the bird flu cases, the samples have tested positive. I'm joined by the Bureau Chief of Haryana, Mr. Sushil Mano. Sir, first tell us how serious is the situation? How many poultry farms are there which have been screened?
In fact, Barwala area in Panchkula district is considered the hub of poultry industry in the north.
Right.
We have 300 poultry farms in Barwala area of Panchkula, and there are 1.80 crore birds in these 300. So, after the death of nearly 4.5 lakh birds, samples were taken, and samples of two poultry farms have tested positive. Now, as per the protocol of the Animal Husbandry Department, area of 1 kilometer radius is considered to be infected zone. So there are, five poultry farms which are situated in that area of 1 kilometer radius. So the culling is to be done in these poultry farms.
And do we have the kind of numbers? How many birds?
1.66 lakh birds will be culled during this operation.
And also, sir, has the health authority, health department set up special teams which will be keeping tab on these poultry farms?
See, the culling exercise is to be done by the Animal Husbandry Department.
Right.
So the Animal Husbandry Department has already issued a notification for the culling, and as per protocol, the culling activity is to be done within 24 to 48 hours. So I was told by Mr. Undru Rajashekar, who is Principal Secretary of the department, that the exercise will be conducted within next 24 hours.
And also, are there any plans of more samples being taken from other poultries, or they're done with it?
Yeah, definitely. Wherever there are complaints, they will be taking.
Right.
But for the time being, other poultry farms are safe.
Okay. And also, the impact it has on the poultry industry. I mean, this industry has suffered because of the pandemic. Now, how badly this is going to impact the industry?
It's definitely impacting too much, because this started from March, when lockdown was imposed, and there were rumors that eating poultry products can cause coronavirus. So it was almost total. They had zero business initially, and some of the poultry farms, they killed their birds because they were not able to feed them, since their eggs were not selling, their chicken were not selling. And that impacted the farmers also, because this millet and corn is used as feed for the poultry farms. In fact, I am told that 60% of the millet and corn produced in this part of the country is used in the poultry industry only. So corn, which was selling for 2,600 in 2018-19, is selling for 700 now. So
Right.
this has impacted not only the poultry farmers, but all. And now, after this bird flu scare, prices of eggs have fallen from 600 to 450 in the wholesale market. So far, end consumer is not getting the benefits. The traders are exploiting the situation, I am told. Similarly, this broiler was selling for 120 per kg, but now it is 60 per kg.
And what are the experts saying? Is this a cause of alarm? Do people stop taking poultry products, or it's just confined to certain pockets only?
No. Basically, this virus survives to a temperature of nearly 70 degree only. Right. When we cook our poultry products, it's 100 or more. So it doesn't have any impact. One can safely consume chicken or eggs.
The way we make it.
Yeah, the way we make it.
Right. The government is trying to carry out.
And also, so far, there is no incident of this virus coming to humans in India. Okay. In Hong Kong, it was in 90s when some workers working in poultry farms, were infected, but in India it has never been the case.
And also for the health department, it must have come at a very wrong time. We've just emerged from this coronavirus scare and now this bird flu. Are now new teams being set up, or they already have a system?
Basically, as I told you, that so far there is no incident of this virus coming to human. So there is no, in fact, the poultry farmers are saying that this is, a scare being created, and they are suffering for that, because they say that every year this is happening. This is nothing new. Every year when Siberian, birds come to this part of this country, they bring with them the virus.
Right.
And every time this happens, this is nothing new. But what happens is that if a migratory bird or a stray bird dies because of this virus, and this virus can come with the shoes of the workers, or with the tires of the vehicles, or with some other things to the poultries, and that way it affects the poultry farms.
Thank you so much, sir. So there you have all the insights and details about the bird flu scenario here in Haryana. Officials maintaining there's no major cause of concern, but nonetheless they need to be cautious, and that's why culling activity has begun. Some poultry farms have been sealed. So Haryana government insisting that all steps have been taken. We will provide you all the updates on this story and also on other news stories. You can log on to our website tribuneindia.com and also follow us on our other social media platforms. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.